Hey, have you ever wondered why some homes sell quickly and others don't sell at all? In this video, I'm going to give you a few tips to make sure that when you list your home for sale, that it sells, because that's what you want, right? Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about why some homes sell quickly and others don't sell at all. But before we do that, please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to receive all of our helpful videos. A few years ago, inventory hit a record low. Just about anything sold, and fast. But now there are far more homes on the market, relatively speaking, and listings are up almost 20% from this time last year. And in some areas, supply is even back to levels we saw in 2017 through 2019. Now for sellers, that means one thing. Your house needs to stand out and grab attention from day one. And that's especially true when you consider why the number of homes for sale is up. Now, here's how it works. Available inventory is a mix of active listings, homes that have been sitting on the market but haven't sold yet, and new listings, homes that were just put on the market. As this chart from Realtor.com shows, a portion of the inventory growth lately is actually from active listings that are staying on the market and taking longer to sell. The blue bars show active listings. These are the homes that are sitting month to month and not selling. The green bars are new listings, the homes that were just put on the market. And it's clear there are fewer new listings compared to how many are staying on the market unsold. Now here in Southern California, that may be a little bit different because we still have a very tight market. Since you don't want your house to be one of those that takes a long time to sell, let's break down where things can go sideways and how to set yourself up to sell quickly. Now, why do homes sell and others sit? Well, the secret to selling in today's market is simple. Make sure your house is easy for buyers to say yes to as soon as it's listed. Price it based on current conditions, not what your neighbor sold for in the past. Make important repairs and highlight the best things about your house. If you will do that, it will sell in any market, sometimes even faster than you think. Because the truth is, homes that are priced right today are still selling. It's not 2021 anymore, and that market is long gone. It's the homeowners who are clinging to outdated expectations that are seeing their house sit and their listing go stale. According to Redfin and HousingWire, here are some of the most common reasons sales stall out. Well, it was priced too high from the start, so make sure your pricing makes sense. Or the seller skipped necessary repairs before listing. Or the house is not staged or staged well. Or the seller won't negotiate with buyers. Or the seller allows limited availability for showings. Or the agent's ineffective marketing or listing photos. Most of those things didn't matter much just a few years ago. When inventory was at a record low, sellers could skip the preparation, name their price, and still walk away with multiple offers over their asking price. But in today's market, it's different. And now that inventory has grown, and that means your approach needs to be different too. You don't want to try out old strategies and aim too high just to see what sticks. Your first few weeks on the market are everything. That's when your listing gets the most attention and when pricing or presentation mistakes actually hurt the most. So get it wrong up front and your house will sit and sit. Get it right and it'll be snatched up before you know it. And the right realtor helps your house stand out. Selling quickly isn't about luck. It's about knowing how to play into the market you're in. And that's where your agent comes in. A great professional realtor will analyze your local market and suggest the price based on the latest comparables sold in your neighborhood and create a marketing plan that makes buyers pay attention from day one. They'll also walk you through any repairs you need to make or whether you need to bring in a staging company. As the National Association of Realtors explains, home sellers without an agent are nearly twice as likely to say they didn't accept an offer for at least 3 months. 53% of sellers who use an agent say they accepted an offer within a month of listing their home. That's the power of getting it right and getting expert help from the start. So what's the bottom line? Well, there are more homes for sale today, but that doesn't have to work against you. When your house is priced right, shows well, and is marketed effectively, it will sell. So reach out to me if you want to know how to make that happen in your market, and we can discuss all of your concerns and the details and make sure all your questions are answered. Please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and friends. Well, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and I'll see you on the next video.